Hello everyone, I'm Long Long. Do you remember Whisper? Two of my earliest videos were about tutorials on this topic. One is installing it on your local machine. Of course, you need to set up everything from graphics cards to the execution environment of the program. It takes a lot of time. The other one is the pre-packaged one-click installation of the desktop version of Whisper. And recently, OpenAI has released Whisper v3. Once again, it has exceeded itself. There is no rival in voice-to-text conversion anymore. Whisper v3 is an advanced and multifunctional speech recognition model developed by OpenAI. It has multitask processing capabilities. One of the outstanding features of Whisper v3 is its multitask processing capabilities. What does that mean? It can perform various speech-related tasks. Including what? Multilingual speech recognition. Whisper v3 can recognize speech in multiple languages, suitable for different language environments. It can also perform speech translation. It can not only transcribe speech but also translate it into different languages. In terms of language recognition, this model can identify the language spoken in the audio you provide, then automatically translate it. Speech activity monitoring. Whisper v3 can determine when speech appears in the audio data. In other words, it can simultaneously generate SRT subtitle files. So, it's very practical. When we are converting videos, it's very useful. With so many features, isn't it amazing? So, in this video, we want to show you that you don't need to install and deploy locally, and can still enjoy permanent and free voice-to-text services. During the process, some commands will be used. They will be provided in the video's content below, so you don't need to remember them specifically. The entire process only requires about 4 steps. First, you need to have a Google Cloud account. If you don't have one, you can register for free. Second, you need to have a Dropbox account. If you don't have one, you can register for free as well. You will need these 2 accounts. Let's start now. First, open the browser. Go to the official Whisper v3 website of OpenAI. Here is the official website of OpenAI. You can see the Whisper v3 introduction on the homepage. There are some instructions below the video, but you don't need to pay attention to it now. Just click on Try Whisper. Here, you can see there is an audio sample option and a batch processing option. Let's listen to the audio sample first. It is the voice of Whisper. Welcome to the Whisper ASR API. The Whisper ASR API allows you to convert spoken language into written text. It's designed for a variety of applications, including transcription services, voice assistants, the Whisper ASR API can be used to transcribe customer service calls, interviews, and other spoken language content. It's available in multiple languages, making it a versatile solution for speech recognition tasks. The API is easy to use and can be integrated into your applications with just a few lines of code. Try it out for yourself and see how it can benefit your business. That's the audio sample of Whisper. Now, let's try the batch processing option. Click on Batch Processing. Here, you can see. You can select the audio file you want to process. You can either upload an audio file or enter a publicly accessible URL. Let's choose the upload option. Click on Choose File. Select an audio file from your local storage. I have prepared an audio file here. Let's select it and click Open. You can see the file has been selected. Next, you can choose the output format. You can choose to receive the output in plain text, SRT subtitle format, or both. I'll choose both for this demonstration. Finally, you can enter your email address to receive the processed output. Make sure your email address is correct, because you will receive the results there, after filling in all the required information. Next, let's start by uploading the audio file we want to convert. Let's place it in this directory here. The audio file will be processed, I have already used, and you will receive the results in your email. The audio part recorded yesterday. Hello, everyone. I am Long. Today, I bring to you a tryout of this interesting 3D image creation GPT. So, for this, it's the video I recorded a few days ago. I will edit it to about 1.5 minutes in length. Later on, we will convert it to the part of speech to text. Okay, so you can directly drag the file over here. Once you expand it here, just drag it in. Let it perform an upload action. You will see a warning here, stating that the file's storage location will be deleted when the process is terminated. Just ignore it for now and click Confirm. Alright, now we are uploading. While the file is uploading, we can proceed to the section for adding code. Let's click here. Clicking here will generate the next piece of code. Now, we need to execute this code. Then, we will paste this execution code directly. Replace this with the file name of the audio or video file you just uploaded. Here, I will change it to demo.mp4, the file I uploaded. Alright, when this circle here has finished running, it means the file has been uploaded. Next, you can proceed to execute this piece of code. Simply click it. Now, regarding the model here, I am currently using the medium model. In comparison, it offers better efficiency and speed, while maintaining reasonable accuracy. If you want it to run faster, you can switch to tiny or base. These two are a bit faster, but the quality might not be as good. I recommend starting with medium in the early stages. If you require high accuracy, you can switch to large V3. This is the latest model. Now, let's wait for the conversion to complete. We can take a look. Feel free to see this part running while it's processing. It will mention that it will use the first 30 seconds of the audio to recognize the language. It will determine whether you are speaking in Chinese, English, or Spanish, and automatically translate it accordingly. After the 1.5 minutes, once it's generated, the file will appear here. We can double-click to take a look. The T3D file is the direct text conversion. If you need subtitles for your video, you can click the SRT file. It includes a timeline. When editing your video, similar to using video editing software, you can easily insert this SRT file, and the subtitles will appear in your video. This is very convenient. You can see here. Hello, everyone. I am Long. Today, I bring to you a tryout of this interesting 3D image création GPT. So, all you need to do is upload an image, and it will generate a 3D image for you. This is basically quite good. Now, let me show you a demonstration of the video. Let's listen to some of the translation results. Hello, everyone. I am Long. Today, I bring to you a tryout of this interesting 3D image création GPT. So, all you need to do is upload an image, and it will generate a 3D image for you. This time, I will use my own photos, as well as some character stills from the TV drama Joy of Life to try it out. Now, let's have a listen. Alright, what you saw earlier. Basically, it's quite accurate. It's just that the GPT part might be due to my pronunciation. But overall, it's actually very advanced. So, I recommend everyone to give it a try. It's better than any translation software or translation pen on the market. It's the best. So, make sure to use it. And finally, Long channel has opened up membership. So, the above is today's sharing from Teacher Long Long. Hope you will like it. Finally, Long Long channel has opened for membership. You can support my creation for less than the cost of a cup of coffee per month. Support me. You can also provide one-time support in the comments below the video. Alright, then, see you next time. Goodbye.